How to choose the right Linux distribution for software development. Switching to Linux is an exciting move for any developer, but one of the first and most important decisions you will face is which distribution should I use? Unlike Windows or macOS, Linux offers hundreds of distributions, each with its own philosophy, package manager, and target audience. Picking the right one can make your development workflow smoother, while the wrong choice might lead to unnecessary headaches. In this guide, I will break down Linux distros into 3 key categories to help you choose the best one for you. First category is beginner-friendly distros. These are great for new Linux users. The second one is developer-focused distros. They are optimized for coding and customization. And the last one is enterprise and stable distros. These are best for servers and production environments. Let's start with the first one, beginner-friendly distros. So if you are new to Linux or just want a hassle-free experience, these distros are the easiest to start with. First one is the most famous one, which is Ubuntu. So it is the most popular distro with excellent hardware support and a massive community. It's best for developers who want to balance between stability and up-to-date software. Its package manager is apt. It has a huge software repository, long-term support versions are stable and great for web development. One of the cons is some bloatware. Snap packages can be controversial. The second distro is Linux Mint. Why? It's simpler and more traditional alternative to Ubuntu. It's best for developers who prefer Windows-like experience. Its package manager is apt. The pros is no snap by default, which means faster package management, and also Cinnamon desktop is lightweight and intuitive. Cons is slightly slower update than Ubuntu. So both these, Ubuntu and Linux Mint, are a fork of Debian. So Ubuntu is a fork of Debian and Linux Mint is a fork of Ubuntu. And the last one, I say it's Pop OS. Why? It's optimized for developers or gamers with great NVIDIA support. So it's best for programmers who also do gaming or AI and machine learning work. Package manager is up. Pros auto tiling window manager, great for multitasking and better out of the box GPU support. So one of the cons is it has small community than Ubuntu. The second in our category is developer focused distros. So if you want more control, bleeding edge software or minimum setup, these distros are ideal. The first distro is Fedora. Why? It's backed by Red Hat. It's a great middle ground between stability and new tech. It's best for developers working with open source stacks, and package manager is DNF. The pros are cutting edge software, new kernel and toolchain updates, and strong security. One of the cons is shorter support cycle. Around updates are every 6 months. Arch Linux. This distro is for advanced users. Why? This is a do-it-yourself distro. You will build the system from scratch. It's best for developers who love customization and learning Linux internals. So the package manager is Pacman. The pros is rolling release is up to date. It's always up to date. The Arch Linux repository has almost every software imaginable. One of the cons is that it has steep learning curve. And the last in our category is enterprise and stable distros. So if you need a rock solid stability, for example for servers or long-term projects, so you may need to choose these distros. First one is Debian. Why? It's one of the oldest and most stable Linux distro. It's best for servers deployment and conservative development environments. The package manager is apt. Pros is extremely reliable, used in servers worldwide, large software repos, and also one of the cons is outdated packages because it prioritizes stability over new features. And the other enterprise and stable distros, CentOS Stream and Rocky Linux. Why? It's a free alternative to Red Hat Enterprise Linux. It's best for DevOps, cloud and enterprise development. Its package manager is DNF. The pros are enterprise grade stability. It's ideal for Docker, Kubernetes deployments. So at the end, your choice depends on your workflow, whether you prioritize ease of use, cutting-edge tools, or production and great stability. What's your favorite Linux distro for development? Share it in the comment below.